What's going on YouTube? Today's video we're going to be checking out some must-have accessories that you may want to check out for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So a lot of people should be getting their devices within a week or so. I'll be waiting a little bit longer because I chose a certain color that wasn't available for about 5 weeks. So almost a month later, it's when I'll be getting my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. But before that, I'm going to show you some pretty cool accessories that you may want to consider before getting your device so that you'll have everything ready for when you do receive your device next week. So first off, we definitely are going to want to get a case. So the first case that you may consider should be the WhiteStoneDome clear case. Links will be down in the description below. If you're looking for a simplistic case that is clear, that you want to show off your awesome color for that particular phone, you may want to consider this case. I'll go ahead and open it up for you so you guys can see how this actually will fit 22 Ultra. So here it is, a clear case. These cases are not supposed to turn yellow on you, so that's one good thing. And then we have another internal film that we want to remove. Wow. So here it is. You definitely are going to enjoy this one. You're going to be showing off your color combo. Wow. Very nice fit on here. You got the buttons on one side, the power button, easy to press. This display unit does have pushable buttons, so easy to press. Volume markers on top. On the bottom, you got a nice cutout for the S Pen, speaker grill, USB-C port, and a microphone. And on this side, there's a little bit of Whitestone branding. You do have some raised lip protection for if you decide to lay your device face down. You don't have to worry about it. This lip right here will actually keep your display from making contact with the surface. And then we have on the top a little microphone cutout. The very slim case. It feels pretty nice and grippy, and you're going to be able to show off your colors for the particular device that you do decide to get. And also, we do have a film protector. If you want to go ahead and get a film protector for the S22 Ultra, we have this film protector. I recommend the tempered glass, which we're about to see here, but this is a pretty good film protector. We do have two of them in here, and I will have the links in the description for that also. Next thing you may want to consider is a power brick for your device. So this one is a 30-watt charger. I believe the S22 Ultra can charge at a 45-watt, but this will do the job if you need one. And yeah, links will be down in the description for that. We also have USB-C to C cable. This one is 6 feet long. So if you need an extra long cable, outlet is pretty far, and you want a long cable, 6 feet right here. Links will be down in the description below. And then we also have rear camera. So I believe this is for the back camera, S22 Ultra. Right, here it is. So these are, they're looking like little lenses. You can see here. You can put this on. So if you're not a fan of the S22 camera and you want to change it up a little bit, you can put this on here. And this is going to keep your lenses from making contact. So yeah, definitely you want to check this out. Shout out to WhiteStoneDome for that. That's pretty neat idea there. It does have an adhesive, and then we have this one here. That is another. We get two of them. So yeah, that one will also be down in the description below. That is the camera protection for the S22 Ultra. That is nice. I like that. I'm definitely going to install that once I get my device. Main screen protector that you definitely want to go ahead and purchase is the WhiteStoneDome glass screen protector. This comes with everything you need in the kit. It also has two screen protectors, so if you do happen to crack the first one, you can always come back and reinstall. They also have a removal kit, so you can remove your old tempered glass screen protector and go ahead and install this. So this is full response. This has to be the best screen protector that I've used on all my devices. I mean, I have it on the Pixel, you can see there, and it's just very smooth and fluid, and it just feels like you don't have a screen protector on. It feels like the original glass. But yeah, it's definitely adds huge protection to your device, and it keeps it from getting scratched up and cracked. And this one is all response, full clarity, full coverage, and full filling. So if you do buy the S22 Ultra, it does have a curved display here, so it does curve over to the sides. And the issue you may encounter is when you purchase screen protectors that are not full adhesive, they will tend to lift off with the cases that you do decide to use. So I highly recommend WhiteStoneDome. It's full adhesive screen protector, and it will not lift on you, and you can use it with most cases. I would say almost like 90% of all cases will work on here, as long as it's a one piece case and not a two-piece case. On this one, I have it on the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and you can see it does work well with the original Google case, and it also works well with several different cases that I have. So yeah, 2-pack WhiteStoneDome screen protector. I would do an installation with this display unit here, but I think I'm gonna hang on till I do get my device, and I'll have that video off for you guys. But yeah, there it is, WhiteStoneDome protection for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. You also got some chargers and whatnot that I didn't know that WhiteStoneDome actually provided. So here it is, a complete kit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys definitely on the other one. Links will be all down in the description. We out.